folks, welcome to the fourth episode of Conversations with Mithaas. Today, I was just on some drive of getting all my books organized. If you're a book lover, you will agree that, making your books organized, getting some new interesting bookshelves, these are one of the most beautiful things and the most cherished memories that we can have as writers and readers, isn't it? Nevertheless, coming on to the conversation that I wanted to do with you, today we are going to talk about how do you start writing? Be it content writing, be it creative writing, any form of writing. How do you start writing? The first thing is to always think, why do you want to write? What's the reason? Do you want to change the world? Do you want to share a story? Do you just want to, get over something? What's your reason of starting to write? The second thing is to identify who are you writing for? Is it for an audience? Is it for yourself? Is it to get published? What's the aim behind writing? And the third thing is to create a book plan. A book plan comprises of three things. The main topic, what's the main title, theme, topic that you want to write about? The subtopics, which is what are the sub-themes or layered topics that you will be including. And the third, which is how do you want to go ahead and create this book? Do you want to keep it a conversational narrative? Do you want to keep it a formal narrative? How do you want to go ahead and write the book? The two questions that I asked you, why are you writing the book and who are you writing it for, will mainly help you in identifying the next three things. If your audience is a Gen Z, you can actually use words like BT, legit, and all of those, right? I stole them from my sister's vocabulary. If you're writing for a more matured audience, you could maybe try and create a vocabulary and tonality around that. So the way of writing will completely come from the audience set. The second thing, why are you writing a book, will define the depth of that narrative. If you're writing to share a story, if it's a funny story, keep the narrative funny, happy, and chill. If the story has an emotional content, emotional core to it, try developing that depth around the story. The idea is that when you are writing, it should just go out there and strike a chord with your audience set, isn't it? So that is something on how one should start writing. If you felt that this was interesting, join our next workshop coming very soon. The link will be in the description. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and support us in any way that you can. Trust us, your support means a lot to us, and the biggest support that you can do is to share this video with someone who's looking to become a writer. See you soon in the next video tomorrow.